Good morning to one and all. Children, this is again our English language class and we are going to continue with adjectives. In the last two classes, children, we have seen what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Like Jane is a clever girl, so here clever is the word which is describing Jane, the girl, the noun. So clever is an adjective, alright? Then children, we have even seen some types of adjectives. We have come across adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number and demonstrative adjectives. These four adjectives we did in class 3. And then adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative, interrogative and possessive. These 6 kind of adjectives we did in grade 4. Now today we are going to start and study about comparison of adjectives. Comparing, okay? We are going to see how we compare the adjectives. In this, children, you have 3 types: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, okay? Now let us study about these. Children, funny, funnier, funniest. Funny is the adjective which is in positive degree where no comparison is there. Funnier is the adjective in comparative degree where 2 people or things are compared, and funniest is the adjective in superlative degree when more than 2, like maybe 3 or more than that person or things are compared. Alright, let us study more about them. We are going to start with positive degree. We use the positive degree of adjective when we speak about only one person or thing. There is no comparison, children. We are not comparing 2 people or things. There is no comparison. Only one person is there. Then we use the positive degree of adjective. Like LeBron James is tall. LeBron James, it's a name, okay? It's a name of a person. So LeBron James is tall. The house is big. This flower is beautiful, okay? So tall, big, beautiful, these are adjectives in positive degree where no comparison is being made, okay? Comparative degree, we use adjectives in comparative degree when we compare 2 persons or 2 things with each other. Like Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. Here Yao Ming and LeBron James, these 2 are names, okay? So you are comparing them. You are comparing Yao Ming and LeBron James, and here it is said that Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. The house, this house is bigger than that one. Here 2 houses are compared. She is nicer than him. Here she and him, they are compared. Okay, so we have used comparative degree of adjective: taller, bigger, nicer. Okay, children, we use comparative adjectives to compare 2 people, places or things. Okay, usually in the positive degree or positive adjective we add er to make it comparative. Like old is in positive degree, you make it older, add er. Young becomes younger. When the adjective is a long adjective, it is a big word, it's a long word, you add more before it. Like exciting, if exciting is the word, it will be more exciting. Beautiful is there in positive degree. In comparative degree, it will be more beautiful. Okay. Then children, there are some words in positive degree which end with Y, and before the Y, if there is a consonant, you know, consonants, all the letters except vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So if before Y a consonant is there, you have to change Y into I and put ER. Like easy is ending with Y. Before Y you have S, a consonant, so it will be easier. You have to remove Y, put I there and add ER. Heavy becomes heavier. Children, there are some adjectives which change completely. Okay, they are called irregular adjectives in which you don't have to add anything. They change completely. Like good becomes better in comparative degree. Bad becomes worse in comparative degree. Let us see superlative degree now. We use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. It is the highest degree of the quality where we are comparing more than two persons or things. Okay, Peter is the smartest boy in the class. That means out of all the boys in the class, Peter is the smartest. Here Peter is compared with all the boys of the class. Okay, so here you are comparing more than two persons or things. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. That means in the neighborhood, out of all the girls, those who live in the neighborhood, Alice is the sweetest. The blue whale is the largest of all animals. That means out of all the animals, blue whale is the largest. So blue whale is compared with all the animals. Children, you have to remember one more thing, that when we use superlative degree of adjective, we have to use the before that. Okay, before the superlative degree we add the. Okay, now let us see these rules. Children, when the adjectives are short, you have to add est, like old becomes oldest, young becomes youngest. Okay, when the adjectives are long adjectives, we add most to the adjective in superlative degree. More is used in comparative, most is used in superlative. Now, there are some words which end with double consonant. That means the last two letters of the word are consonants. Like in big, you can see IG, hot. When the last one is a consonant, you have to double. There are some words like that. Okay, not all. There are some words like big becomes biggest. You have to add a double G and add est. Hot becomes hottest. Okay, short adjective which is ending in Y and before that a consonant is there, like easy, Y will become I and you have to put est. In heavy, Y becomes I, you have to put est. Children, then there are some irregular adjectives, like they change completely. Good becomes best, bad becomes worst, far, farthest, little, least, much and many. For both you use most. We use the before the superlative form of adjective, like John is the tallest, a Ferrari is the most expensive car. So children, here is a list in front of you. Okay, here the positive degree of adjective is mentioned where no comparison is made. Comparative degree of adjectives are there when you compare two people or things. And in superlative, when you compare more than two per person or thing. Okay, like sweet, sweeter, sweetest, add er. In comparative, add est in superlative. Young, younger, youngest, high, higher, highest, old, older, oldest. Okay, there are so many here, children. Then the adjectives which are bigger ones, you have to add more or most in front of it. Difficult is more difficult, most difficult. Important is more important, most important. Then you can see there are some adjectives which end with Y and before the Y there is a consonant. Then you have to remove Y and put IER in comparative and put IEST in superlative, like lovely, lovelier, loveliest, happy, happier, happiest. Then children, you can see there are some adjectives given at the end which are irregular adjectives. That means they change completely. Bad becomes worse, worst. Much is much in comparative, it becomes most in superlative. Late, later, latest. Good, better, best, and for well also it is better and best. Now here there are more in front of you, children, on the screen. You can go through them again. And these are some irregular adjectives, like good is better, best, old, older, oldest, far, further, furthest, bad, worse, worst, well, better, best, little, less, least, many, more and most. Okay, so children, these irregular adjectives you need to learn. Alright, the other adjectives you can change by putting er or est to it. Okay, but these irregular adjectives, as they change completely, you need to learn it, children. Okay, now let us quickly see the rules once again. Most of the adjectives, children, when they change from positive to comparative, you have to add er, and in superlative you have to add est. Like clear is clearer, clearest, dark is darker, darkest. Then the words which end with e, children, you have to only put r and st in it. Like wise, when you are changing it to comparative, becomes wiser, only add r, and wisest, only add st. Simple, simpler, simplest. Now adjectives which are ending with one vowel and one consonant, like thin, I is the vowel, N is the consonant. In fact, A is the vowel, T is the consonant. You have to double it, children, like thinner, double N and ER. Thinnest, double N, EST. Fatter, fat, fatter, fattest, double T, ER, double T, EST. Okay? Now the ones which are ending with Y, before the Y there is a consonant. Remove Y, put IER. Remove Y, put IEST. The words which are big, the adjectives which are big. In comparative, you have to put more. In superlative, you have to put most before it. Like more creative, most creative. More popular, most popular. And then there are some irregular adjectives which you need to learn, children. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. And there are more, children, which are given in the book. Okay? Go through it, learn. Yes, children, you have to go through more irregular adjectives which are given in the book, and you have to learn it also. Now this is the page from your book. Here they are telling you again about positive degree of adjectives, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. We have already seen, children. Positive degree of adjectives are used when no comparison is made. Comparative are used when a comparison is made between two person or things, and superlative is used when comparison is made between more than two person or things, children. Alright, like Amit is a tall boy, Ravi is taller than Amit, and Mohit is the tallest boy of the three. Now always remember, than is used in the sentence when two persons or things are compared. Like India is larger than Pakistan. Okay, when comparative degree is used. Article the is used before the superlative form. Like Everest is the highest mountain in the world. And adjectives change in form to show comparison. They have the following degrees of comparison, like big, bigger and biggest. Now children, there are some comparative and superlative degrees given in your book. Like by adding er and est to the positive degree, you always make change in the positive degree only by doubling the last letter of the positive and adding er and est. Okay, when the last letter in the positive, the adjective of positive degree, the last letter is a consonant and before that a vowel is there, then you have to double the last letter. And adding r and st to the positive, when the words are ending with e, you have to add r in comparative and st in superlative. By changing y into I and using er, est, when before y you have a vowel, then y will not be changed. You only have to add er and est. When the adjectives are bigger ones, you have to add more and most to it. And then there are irregular ones which change completely. Okay, so these are some examples given in your book, children. Go through it, learn the irregular ones, irregular adjectives, and we will discuss the exercises in the class. Have a nice day, children. Stay home, stay safe.